Scientists in Australia just built a chip that computes using light instead of electricity, and it could change how both AI and quantum computers are built. The breakthrough comes from researchers at Monash University, and it centers on a field called Valleytronics. This video breaks down what this chip actually does, the science behind it, and why light-based computing matters for the future of AI and quantum technology. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the basic problem this chip is trying to solve. Almost every computer chip today, from your phone to a massive AI data center, works by moving electrons through tiny circuits. Electrons generate heat as they move, and that heat is one of the biggest limiting factors in modern computing. The more powerful you make a chip, the more heat it generates, and the more energy you need to cool it down. This is a massive problem for AI specifically, because training and running large AI models requires enormous data centers that consume huge amounts of electricity, much of it just for cooling. Light-based computing offers a fundamentally different approach. Instead of moving electrons, a photonic chip processes information using photons, the particles that make up light. Light doesn't generate heat the way electron flow does, and it can travel and switch state far faster, which is why photonic computing has been a major research goal for years. The challenge has always been building a single chip that can generate light, precisely control or steer it, and then read the information back out, all within one compact device. That is exactly what the Monash University team achieved. Now let's talk about the specific scientific trick that makes this chip special, something called the Valley degree of freedom. This requires a little bit of quantum physics, so let's break it down simply. In certain ultra-thin materials, just a single layer of atoms thick, electrons can occupy different energy states described mathematically as valleys, similar to how a ball can sit in one of several dips in a landscape. Which valley an electron sits in is a genuine quantum property, separate from its charge or its spin. Researchers realized that light interacting with these atomically thin materials can be encoded based on which valley it's associated with. In simple terms, this gives scientists an entirely new way to store and process information, using the Valley property of light-matter interactions, rather than just switching electrical currents on and off. This new approach is called Valleytronics, and it's considered a growing and important research area for future computing. Here's what the Monash team actually built. They created what they call an on-chip programmable Valley optoelectronic nanocircuit, published in the journal Nature Photonics. In plain language, that means a single, small circuit that can generate light encoded with Valley information, actively steer or direct that light, and then read the information back out, all on one chip. This is a major milestone, because previous experiments in this field typically required bulky, separate lab equipment to generate, direct, and measure this kind of light-based information. Fitting all three functions onto a single programmable chip is what makes this genuinely new. So what could this actually be used for? The research team points to two major applications: faster AI computing and progress toward practical quantum technology. For AI, chips that compute using light instead of electron flow have the potential to be dramatically more energy efficient, which directly addresses the massive power consumption problem facing AI data centers today. For quantum computing, encoding information in the Valley property of light offers a new physical method for storing and processing quantum information, adding to the growing toolbox of approaches researchers are exploring to build reliable quantum hardware. It's worth being clear about where this research currently stands. This is a laboratory demonstration published in a peer-reviewed journal, not a commercial product. Getting from a working lab-scale nanocircuit to a chip that's manufactured at scale and integrated into real computing hardware typically takes years of further engineering. But breakthroughs like this matter because they expand what's physically possible, and photonics researchers have been building toward exactly this kind of integrated, single-chip demonstration for a long time. So why should this matter to you if you're not a physicist? It's a reminder that a lot of the innovation shaping the future of computing isn't just happening in software or in bigger AI models, it's happening at the level of physical materials and the actual hardware processing information. As AI continues to demand more computing power, and quantum computing continues its push toward practical, real-world use, breakthroughs in how chips physically work, like this Valleytronic circuit, could end up being just as important as any new algorithm or AI model. That's the Monash University Photonic Valleytronic chip explained. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more tech deep dives, and I'll see you in the next video.